It sounds like a fantasy headline, doesn't it? One that couldn't possibly apply to you. Because we've all been handed the same life script. Go to school, get a good job, work for 40 or 50 years, and then, if you're lucky, retire in your late 60s. This path is so deeply ingrained in our culture that questioning it feels like questioning gravity. Early retirement is usually reserved for a select few: tech founders, lottery winners, prodigies. For the rest of us, people with regular jobs and mortgages, it's a nice dream, but a dream nonetheless. But what if achieving financial independence in 10 years isn't magic, luck, or genius? What if it's a solvable math problem? An engineering challenge that, with the right blueprint, can be systematically conquered. That's what this video is about. We're not talking about vague ideas like saving more. We're laying out the precise, actionable blueprint. This system combines proven financial principles into a powerful engine for wealth generation. Here's the plan. First, we'll shatter the mental barriers by rewiring your financial brain. Then I'll reveal the simple math that governs this process. After that, we'll architect the powerful 3-layer wealth generation machine you need to build. And finally, I'll give you a clear 4-phase roadmap to make this your reality. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-free-for-life system. Before we talk about investments, we have to start here. The math of early retirement is simple. It's the psychology that's hard. If you don't win the battle in your mind first, you've already lost. The first principle is understanding that personal finance is a strategic game with 2 parts: offense and defense. Imagine a football team. Your offense is your income, salary, side hustles, everything that brings money in. Your defense is your spending, your ability to control expenses and avoid debt. Most people fail by focusing on only one. You have the high income, no defense player. The doctor making $300,000 a year with nothing to show for it. Their lifestyle consumes every dollar. They have a world-class offense, but their defense is so porous they end every month at 0. On the other side is the extreme frugality, no offense player. This person is a master of defense, living on a shoestring budget, but they're stuck in a low-paying job. They prevent points from being scored against them, but have no power to score. The secret to winning isn't your income or your savings rate in isolation. It is the gap between your income and your expenses. That gap is your profit, the surplus you use to buy your freedom. Your mission for the next 10 years is to make that gap as wide as possible by playing both offense and defense relentlessly. This isn't about being cheap, it's strategic. Every dollar in that gap is a soldier fighting for your future. But a strong defense only gets you so far. To succeed in a decade, you need an accelerator. This brings us to the most powerful lever you can pull and the most dangerous trap you must avoid: the golden handcuffs of lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is the silent saboteur of your financial future. It's the natural tendency for spending to rise with income. It's a subtle, insidious trap. You get a raise and think, great, I can afford a nicer car payment. You get a promotion, and suddenly it's time for a bigger apartment. Each decision feels rational. You've earned it, right? But you're trading freedom for comfort. Every time you upgrade your lifestyle, you reset your financial baseline, tightening your own golden handcuffs. The luxuries of yesterday become today's necessities, and the advantage gained from a higher income is completely neutralized. The core discipline is this: establish a comfortable, reasonable standard of living today, and then hold it constant. From now on, every single raise, bonus, and extra dollar is automatically invested, 100% of it. If you live on $60,000 a year and get a raise to $70,000, that extra $10,000 is automatically routed to your investments. Your lifestyle remains at $60,000. This is the ultimate test of discipline, a conscious choice between temporary gratification and permanent freedom. Every dollar saved from lifestyle creep buys back your most precious asset, your time. Once you've mastered your mindset, you need a way to track progress that keeps you motivated. A goal of $1.5 million can feel impossibly slow. A better way is to measure your progress in freedom units. You calculate your financial independence ratio, or FI ratio. The formula, annual passive income divided by annual living expenses. If your annual expenses are $60,000 and your investments generate $3,000 a year, you divide 3,000 by 60,000. That's 0.05 or 5%. You are 5% financially independent. You've bought yourself 18 days of freedom, paid for by your assets. Next year, your passive income grows to $6,000. Your FI ratio is 10%. You've bought back 36 days of your life. The year after, it's 15%. See the psychological shift? You're no longer chasing an abstract number. You are tangibly buying back your life, month by month. The goal isn't to get rich. It's to get your FI ratio to 100%. At that point, your passive income covers your expenses. With the right mindset, let's look at the simple math that underpins this blueprint. This is where retirement becomes a solvable engineering problem. It starts with defining the finish line. How much do you actually need? The answer is the 25 times rule. It's a powerful guideline to calculate your financial independence number. The formula, your FI number equals annual expenses multiplied by 25. For example, with $60,000 in annual expenses, you multiply by 25 to get your FI number, $1.5 million. That's your target. That's the size of the machine you need to build. But why 25? It comes from the inverse concept, the 4% safe withdrawal rate. Decades of research, like the Trinity study, analyzed historical market returns to find how much a retiree could safely withdraw without depleting their portfolio. The conclusion was that a 4% withdrawal rate gave a portfolio a very high probability of lasting for 30 years or more. 4% of $1.5 million is $60,000. The 25 times rule ensures your expenses represent a 4% withdrawal. This isn't wishful thinking. It's a target based on historical data. It gives you a clear finish line. Calculating your target is easy. Getting there in 10 years is another thing. It needs to be powered by compounding, what Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. The best way to understand compounding is the snowball analogy. You start with a small, dense snowball, your initial investment. The first few quiet years are the hardest. You have to push this snowball by hand, and it grows slowly. It requires immense effort, and it feels like you're making no progress. This is you, investing diligently even when progress feels slow. But then something magical happens. As the snowball grows, its surface area increases, picking up more snow with each rotation. Its growth accelerates. Soon, the snowball's own momentum does more work than you're pushing. This is your portfolio. In the beginning, growth depends on your contributions, but as it grows, the returns it generates become substantial. Eventually, you cross a critical threshold, the tipping point. The tipping point is when your investments generate more money each year than you personally contribute. If you're contributing $60,000 a year and earning an average 8% return, your tipping point is a $750,000 portfolio. At that point, an 8% return is $60,000. Your money now makes as much as you are saving. From this moment on, your wealth grows faster on its own than from your effort. The snowball is rolling downhill with unstoppable momentum. This is the tangible proof that the initial struggle was worth it. Your freedom is no longer a question of if, but when. So we have the mindset and the math. Now we need the machine. A savings account won't work. Its returns are eaten by inflation. We need a resilient, all-weather wealth generation machine designed for growth and protection, your 3-layer portfolio. Layer 1, the growth engine, 70% allocation. The purpose is long-term capital appreciation. This is the high-octane fuel for your journey. The best way to build this is not by picking stocks, but by buying the market through low-cost, broad market index funds or ETFs, like a US total stock market or total world stock market fund. This simple, diversified approach has historically provided the powerful returns needed for compounding. Layer 2, the income producers, 20% allocation. This layer focuses on generating a steady stream of passive income, directly increasing your freedom units. This cash flow provides an inflation hedge and builds the income stream you'll live on. Here we look at assets like real estate investment trusts and dividend growth stocks or ETFs. Layer 3, the stability and protection layer, 10% allocation. This is your portfolio's defensive line. Its purpose is capital preservation and reducing volatility. Market downturns are inevitable. This layer lets you sleep at night and prevents panic selling. It includes assets like US Treasury bonds, a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund, and perhaps a small allocation to gold. This structured approach is robust. It provides aggressive growth for a compressed timeline while building in the protection necessary to survive the journey. But as you build this machine, tracking your true performance across all these layers can get complicated. Your broker's dashboard often doesn't show the full picture. It might not include dividends or handle currency changes correctly, making tax time a headache. That's where a tool like ShareSite becomes essential. It's designed to show your actual total performance by automatically tracking every dividend and giving you clear reports on your diversification. It makes managing a sophisticated portfolio simple. To help you do that, using my exclusive link in the description will get you 4 months free on an annual plan. It's a powerful way to invest smarter. A 10-year goal can feel daunting, so we break it into 4 manageable phases. Phase 1, years 1-2, building the foundation. The focus is financial stabilization and maximizing offense. First, build a 3-6-month emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This is non-negotiable. Next, become a debt assassin. Aggressively eliminate all high-interest debt, credit cards, personal loans. This debt must be eradicated. Simultaneously, focus on increasing your income. Ask for the raise, start the side hustle, and most importantly, automate everything. Your goal: be debt-free, excluding mortgage, have a full emergency fund, and achieve a savings rate over 20%. Phase 2, years 3-5, accelerating momentum. Now you scale up. Begin systematically building your 3-layer portfolio, diversifying into income assets like REITs. Implement contribution escalation. Every year, increase your investment contribution by 3 to 5% on top of investing 100% of any raises. Rebalance your portfolio annually. By the end of this phase, your savings rate should push over 50% and your portfolio should cross 6 figures. Phase 3, year 6-8, the power of compounding. Your main job in this phase is discipline. Reinvest all dividends automatically. Hold your lifestyle flat, ruthlessly fighting lifestyle creep. Your most important task is to stay the course. The market will be volatile. Ignore the noise and trust your system. During this phase, you will likely cross the magical tipping point where your portfolio's growth surpasses your contributions. Finally, phase 4, years 9-10, the final approach. The focus now is on validation and transition. In year 9, conduct a test year. Live for 12 months solely on your projected 4% withdrawal amount. This is a crucial dress rehearsal. It validates your budget and builds confidence. You make final portfolio adjustments and plan logistics like healthcare. Then, after a successful test year, you cross the finish line. You've reached your FI number. You have won. So there it is, the real blueprint. It's built on 4 pillars: a mindset of relentless offense and disciplined defense, a clear mathematical target powered by compounding, a robust 3-layer investment machine, and a phased roadmap that turns a decade-long ambition into manageable steps. The journey is not easy. It requires focus, discipline, and a willingness to choose a different path. The shortcut isn't a secret stock tip. The system is the shortcut. Building this machine is the fastest, most reliable path to true freedom. The first few quiet years will be the hardest. But for those with the determination to build the system and the discipline to see it through, the prize is the ultimate one: complete and total ownership over your time and your life.